Hey, this is Dave and Rich with my son Caleb. We renovate houses. Today we're going to show you how to install low voltage landscape lighting. The lighting that we're using is the Patriot lighting. This is called the core width. 100 lumens is the brightness, and this is one of the brighter ones that we saw. And we want something brighter because it's going to be on the path. We're connecting each of the lights with a main line of 12 2-wire. That's the trunk. And then each branch that goes to the light is going to be 14-2. And this is the transformer. The transformer is a 50-watt transformer, and this, you determine the size of your transformer based on the wattage that your lights are going to use. So we have lights that are 3.3 watts each, and we have up to 10 on a line, so that's 33 watts. So we have a 50-watt transformer, and you can have too big of a transformer, and so you want to end up sizing your transformer to the lights you're using. We're going to connect all the wire connections with waterproof. These are silicone filled connectors. When you stick your wire through that right there, that's filled with silicone inside, and it'll surround the wire connection with silicone and protect it from water. We're Amazon affiliates, so we'll have links in the description below for all of these products. This connector comes on the light, and you're allowed to basically feed your line through here, through this space where that pin is, and then you press this together, and it punctures the line and stabs the metal line inside the black plastic line, and makes your connection. But we're not going to use that. We prefer to just cut the line right here and connect it with the wire connectors, the waterproof wire connectors, and guarantee that we're going to get a waterproof fit. So this is basically how the light goes, where the wire, this fits into the top of the metal post, like so, and then on the bottom is the stake, and the stake has a slot in it, and so that slot is where the wire is going to come out, and this threaded end goes into the bottom of the post, like so. And then what we're doing is simply threading this onto the stake. And at that point, you can take it and put it into the ground. And see, that's where this wire comes out, and it will go to our trunk line or our tree line, branch lines. But because that's kind of a piddly amount to put it in the ground, we're going to extend this a bit by pounding this into the ground and giving it a firmer base, so this is less likely to tip over with soil movement and the like. All right, so this is a 1-inch piece of PVC, Schedule 40. It's about 12 inches long, and it's going to extend us. The spike comes down to here, so it's going to give us another 9 or 10 inches of extra depth for this to go into the ground and make a more stable footing. Okay.
We're also putting in some overhead lighting. Hey, looking good. All right, so we're running 12-2 wire from the source all along there, and then we're connecting it with this 14-2 wire to go up into each tree where the light is way up there. Caleb is in the process of connecting those now. Okay, so this is your transformer.
The transformer plugs in to our outlet down there, right there, and then there's where the two wires go. Come up through the bottom onto the screws, and that's our main feed.
All right, so here you were just using electrical tape because
it just kind of hides the blue silicone wire caps. And just make sure everything won't get pulled out of place.
that looks nicer than that blue. All right, so now we're connecting our wire that's from the tree, which is 14.2, to our source wire running along the ground, which is the 12.2. Okay, so in addition, in that same wire nut, we have to put in another 12.2 line to run it to the next light. Okay, so this is the light connected to the 14.2 wire. Hey, look at that. They work, so that's very cool, because now we've got 3 nice lights on this path here. So we're going down to the lake. There's the second one there. And there's the third one. Hooray! Well, that's good news.
Yeah, come out here and check this out.
What's going on?
So check out this transformer. It's got a number of things. There's a mode feature where I can turn it on or off. It's on now, or I can cycle through here, and that's on when the sun rises, it turns off, or we can do a timer, so you can set an on or off time. Auto just means that it has a photocell. Looks, where was that? Yeah, right here. No, somewhere. Oh, right here. There's your photocell.
Okay.
And so when it gets dark enough, they'll turn on by themselves.
Nice. All right, so here's our transformer, and that simply plugs in to a power source. You run your wire to each one of your lights, and you're good. All right, so that's all there is to installing outdoor lighting, and it's a job that any homeowner can do. I hope this video helped. Please hit the like button if you got anything out of it, and also be sure to check out this video.